Welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can add a lens flare effect to your design, making it look beautiful and professional, thereby transforming it from this to that. If you're new here, consider subscribing for more design tips and inspiration. Don't forget to hit that like button and leave a comment below. And to my returning viewers, thank you so much for your continued support. Now let's get started. Okay, so this Pixlab, I've done designing this on Pixlab. So the next thing to do is to download it to your gallery. So I'll be saving it to my gallery. Okay, in case you've not turned off your notification bell, turn it also. You'll be notified when I drop the tutorial video on this particular design. Okay, I'll quickly save it to my gallery. I'll be saving it as Ultra and save to gallery. Okay, so after it has saved to your gallery, we'll be moving over to this amazing app known as Picsart. So I will click on Picsart. Okay, so this is Picsart, and to do anything, we'll click on this plus button, and we'll just wait for it to load up. My network is not really good. You can also use you can actually run this without data, just that you need data sometimes to load something. So this is the design we saved to our gallery. We click on it, and we'll wait for it to load up. Okay, so this is the design. So Picsart has this amazing feature. They have their lens flare feature. Okay, so they have a they have numerous number of lens flare you can use for certain designs. Mind you, not all lens flare go for all designs, and in this case I'm not really seeing anyone that will be suitable for this particular design. So I'll be heading over to Pinterest to download the lens flare I'll be using for this tutorial. So I'll go over to Pinterest. Okay, from Pinterest here, I'll just click on this search button and I'll be typing in lens flare. So you can also get a lot of lens flare from this particular app known as Pinterest. So I'll be downloading this first one. I'll download it. Okay, and now I want a red lens flare. So let me just type red lens flare, and I'll be selecting the first one, downloading it also. Okay, after I've downloaded it, I'll head back to Pixart to continue. Okay, so this is Pixart, and from here I'll click on add photo. And in this case, I'll be working with the two lens flare effects we downloaded. So I'll select this and also select this, and I will add it to the design page. Okay, so from here you have to pay close attention. After downloading this image and importing it or adding it to your design, then you look for blend. You click on blend and you click on screen. It's just depending on what you want at the moment. They have add, they have overlay, lighting, but in this case the suitable one is screen, and we'll be doing the same thing for this red lens flare. We'll click on it, go to blend and screen also. So for the last red one, I'll be positioning it here first, and after that I'll click on this brightened one and place it above, and I'll just increase the size a little bit. I can take it over here. I can use it in this way. Oh no, let me just leave it here, and I'll place this one over here like this. The red is not really showing. Let me increase it a little bit, and so you just adjust it according to how you want it and how sharp or bright you want the lens flare to be. Okay, I'll place it over. So This is how you can add a lens flare effect. Okay, then you just click on this arrow to save to your gallery. Okay, this is how you add a lens flare effect to your design using Picsart. So thank you for watching to the end. If you gain value from this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell.